everybody, welcome back. So when I did this Didun review, I had that quality control issue with the second hand rubbing against the minute hand. So I want to jump in and try to fix that and remedy that situation, because it's really kind of stopped me from wanting to wear this watch. So first off, let's pop that case back off. It has those little holes in the back, so you need to use one of these little two-prong tools that are adjustable. Very simple. Unscrew that, pop it off. You know, it's a little screw back. You got your spacer in there for your movement, and now I got to remove the stem. For this Miyota, you have next to those two little gears right there, you got a little pusher. Pop that down and your crown will pop right out. Got to do that to remove the stem and the crown from the case, which unfortunately you need to do this repair. Pop that movement out, and then you need to put the crown and the stem back in. Now doing that, you could also see there on the 3 o'clock side, there's a little bit of damage on that face that you couldn't see in the case because it's behind the metal, but just some more quality control issues to notice about these Diduns. But here we are looking at it from the side, and it does kind of look like that second hand angles downwards towards the tip, which I think is the problem. Let's see, yeah, right there you could tell how the tip of it is really angled downwards, so that's the problem. Looking at it here, you could really see the difference. The minute hand may be slightly angled up also, but we're just going to work on that a little bit. They were fully seated, so I'm using this little wooden plunger to just try bend it up a little bit. It didn't really work, so I had to take the tip and kind of bend it upwards. I was being very careful to make sure it didn't bend, but that did give it a little bit of upward movement. So now holding it sideways again, let's see if we have the proper clearance. There we go, slid right over it perfectly. That's all I really needed for this watch to fix it. Truly don't know if that's the best way to do it, but for a watch at this price point, they wouldn't return it and give me my money back, so I had to kind of take this into my own hands. That seemed to do the job, worked perfectly. Sorry, got a little tickle in the throat there. And here we are just trying to check it back in its case, make sure it now works perfectly, slides right over it without getting stuck. Bam, beautiful. We are now fixed. So that's how I went about fixing the quality controls issues on this Didun. See you guys next time. Thank you.